This is the other older elevator. That's that same building as the ThyssenKrupp at Gannon University in Dalton, Erie, Pennsylvania. This one's an old Dover from probably the 70s. It has an EPCO Haloline, EPCO lantern. Let's see what pages have on inside it. This looks like a mod, but it's a weird traditional one from the 80s, I think. Maybe it's from the 60s. Installed by Seelar, obviously. Here, basement. That's right. Interesting. That works and but it's a bit broken. That button barely presses. Never close. And here we go. That's weird. That's not a lobby. And you found the door takes forever to close. A really long door timer. It's a basic thing for a cab. It's a wide elevator. The other one was a little more deep. I think the other one was a new one, so unless the cab was heavily renovated or modded. Sounds like Otis definitely replaced the motor on this within the last few years. It sounds like an Otis motor, submersible motor. Here we have the lobby. Now it's empty because class change is done. The closing is going to be